in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes. Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my doubt, he gon' sit down and listen.
What's up YouTube, it's your girl Key and I am back with another video, y'all. So as you can see in the title, we're gonna do a little cooking with Key video today, y'all. We're about to be making some homemade chicken Alfredo. Bomb, y'all. My chicken Alfredo is the bomb. My sauce is the bomb. So I'm gonna show y'all how I make my chicken Alfredo today. So we're gonna just jump right into the video, y'all. I'm looking a little crazy, y'all, but I'm just comfortable in my own home, y'all. It is raining outside. I've been laying down and now I'm gonna cook me some food. So I'm gonna show y'all all the ingredients that I have and then we're gonna get into the cooking. Okay, so this is my chicken breast that I'm gonna use. I probably only use one big old thing of chicken because it's just me. I got some spinach because I think I want to add some spinach to my sauce. Garlic butter, regular butter, garlic, heavy whipping cream, Parmesan cheese, spaghetti noodles instead of fettuccine, y'all, because I love me some spaghetti noodles. And then I got some oil, and then this is my seasonings. So I got the Slurpee Mama paprika essence, seasoned salt, pepper, and then regular salt. So these are all of the ingredients that I'm going to be using today. So them are the ingredients that I'm going to be using today, y'all. So first we're going to start putting our noodles on. So I'm about to get a pot and put some water in it. Pot, and we're going to add water in here so we can start boiling our water. Alright, so I fill this up with water. I'm going to sit it on the stove and I'm going to add a little bit of salt to the water. This is my salt. We just going to add a little bit so it can start boiling faster. Salt makes it boil faster. There we go. And y'all, I'm about to actually put my hair back. Alright, y'all, so I just washed my hands and I got my cutting board and I got my chicken right here. So we're going to open up this chicken. Alright, y'all, so this is the chicken breast. So I'm about to rinse off this chicken breast that I'm going to be using. Alright, y'all, so I just cleaned off my chicken. So we're going to pat it dry. Pat, pat, pat. This piece of chicken is super big, y'all. I was gonna cut it, but I think I was gonna keep it like this and let it cook like this. Actually, I think I might cut it. I'm gonna cut them into small pieces. My chicken is all seasoned, so we're gonna sit this on the side. All right, y'all, so my water is starting to boil, so we're gonna add our noodles to the water. And I think that should be enough for me, for just me. So we're gonna let that cook. And then right here is my pan, y'all. Please ignore how this pan look, but we're gonna add some oil so we can start cooking our chicken. And we're gonna put our chicken in there. So I got the noodles on, and we're gonna let this heat up so we can put our chicken in there. My chicken and my noodles is boiling. We're gonna start on the sauce, so we're gonna cut this onion on. This is how I make my Alfredo sauce, y'all. So I'm just gonna get some butter. I'm actually gonna use all this. So that's all the butter I'm gonna use, and we're gonna let that butter melt. All right, y'all. So y'all see how our butter is melted. So now we're gonna add our garlic. And then I also like to add just a little bit of this garlic butter, because this garlic butter is so good, y'all. So just a tiny bit. We got our heavy whipping cream. We're going to add 1 cup, y'all, but I'm just going to eyeball it. But I usually do 1 cup. Mix it together like this. And while that's all mixed in, y'all, we're gonna add some spinach so the spinach can cook down. Then we're going to add our Parmesan cheese. Alright, y'all, so that is how I make my Alfredo sauce. You know it's thick enough when it's on the spoon like this. That looks good. So y'all, let's start making our plates. So It's my Alfredo, and I'm crazy because y'all forgot to make my garlic bread that I took out, but it's okay. We finna taste test this. It looks so good. So good. And then I got a Sprite to drink. Let's try. This is so good. Y'all, this is so good. Y'all need to try it. So fire. So that's gonna be the end of the video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this little cooking series with me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other cooking videos or any other videos y'all want to see me do. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.